Hello guys, I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to take you through. It's a tour, hotel tour, and a room tour, of Holiday Inn in Johannesburg or Tambo or in Kempton Park, Johannesburg, right? So that is what we are going to do right now. If you're interested in how I got this room, you should watch my vlog episode 43. So let's get started. Okay, so you get in this side. Then the first thing you will see is these two switches here. This is for your bedroom and this is for the toilet, right? And what you will realize is that for standard, I think this is a standard room, you get two three-quarter beds, right? On this side, this is your wardrobe. And what's nice about this hotel is that they give you your ironing board and your iron, right? So you won't need to call room service for that, And then coming here, we have this big mirror. You have this big mirror to check your outfit. Then here on this side, we have this TV. This is not a smart TV, so you can't play YouTube, Netflix, and stuff like that. And over here, this is a workstation. We have a very big table, with a comfortable working chair there. And then we have a mini fridge there. It has water inside, 2 bottles of water. Okay, and then we have tea and coffee. And then we have these 2 beds here. Over here, you have a phone to call room service. You have your clock over there, and then a remote. And then you can actually sit here for reading or just for leisure, And what is going on this side? So these are your windows. So you first open this one and you open here, but actually you cannot open because it has that stopper there, so you cannot fully open it. Okay, so that is it this side. Then you close here. Oh wow, actually well lit now. So now let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom side. Okay, you have your 2 glasses of water, you have your sink, you have your big mirror, you have your hand wash, body lotion, and then body wash, and then you have this bathtub. But as you can see, only one person can fit here. And over this side, we have a shower. Okay. So that is it. That is it for the room. Now we'll go outside, and I'll show you outside. Amenities. Is it amenities? Amenities. Things like gym, swimming pool, and stuff like that, because we have those here, and a restaurant. Okay, now we're in the restaurant, right? So this is where you dine. This is part of it, but the main kitchen is over that side. I'm going to show you as well. Now let's go to the most impressive part of this, the swimming pool and the gym. So actually when you go outside, we have a swimming pool here, and we also have a gym. I don't know if I still have access to the gym, but I'm not going to go inside. I'm just going to show you from here. So this is your swimming pool over here. Open 24 hours, doesn't have any time and stop. You can swim anytime, but you swim at your own risk. There are no lifeguards here and stuff like that, so you need to know your stuff. Then this is how the hotel looks like from this section. Doesn't have many floors. It's only 1, 2, 3. And actually in the morning it's not busy here, so you can take advantage of this time. Train there, lift weights, and then go straight to the swimming pool. And I was using the gym last night. It's very basic. They don't have barbells and stuff like that, but they do have dumbbells. There is a toilet and shower. So it's quite nice, it's a practical gym. I don't know if you can see from here. but that is it, you know. This is just the gym. Those are dumbbells, and we have treadmills. Nothing hectic. Then this is the hotel from out from here. So these are the rooms. Now I haven't seen the conference venue yet, if it's here or somewhere else, but I'll show you that as well. So the hotel is behind me, and in front of me are the conference venues. This is the kitchen, and then this is the reception. This is where you check in and check out. We have a bar over there. And actually, if you're a guest, you get a free shuttle to and from the airport, 30 minutes intervals. And at some point, I think from 1 to 5, I'm not sure about the times, it's 60 minutes intervals. So if you're a guest here, you get that for free, which is nice.